long time that I haven't done a video. So been busy, work, doing a couple things, changing shifts, second to first, from first to second, going back, you know, all that mess. Finally trying to get time to do my work on my vehicle. Finally found time to do it. Got a regular schedule for me to do. And find time to do what I have to fix. Now I can finish up my vehicle, so I can finish up my LS, okay? So as you can tell, I'm gonna be working on the drain line for the turbo. I already took the timing cover out, okay? And I have it here as we speak. It's gonna drill a hole, show you where it's gonna be. I'm gonna mark it. Once I mark it, drill it, and I'm not gonna weld it. Why? Because I don't have a TIG welder, okay? The only thing I have is just gonna be JB Weld, and I'm just gonna thread, you know, tap threads on it, and then glue it with JB Weld. It's strong enough to hold, but if I had a TIG weld that can TIG aluminum or weld aluminum, no problem, I would have done it. But because I don't have it, I'm gonna go the cheap way. I'm gonna start making some holes now. Going back to my LS build now, okay? All right, so I was able to already drill it, mark it. Here's my angle adapter and 10 line fitting for the oil drain. So I just decided to go back in, put it in, because I wanted to avoid this right here. So that's why I drilled it where I did. And I'm gonna put the cover back on, do a dry fit, just to make sure that we're good. Yep. Does not hit, does not affect. My angle is what I wanted to be, a 45 drain coming up from the top from the turbo, coming down. There it is. Cover is gonna be back on. So I just gotta basically do my JB Weld, let it dry, let it set, and we're good to go. Now we're gonna have I'm gonna install a new 175 degree thermostat. Just gonna reduce it by 20 degrees. And being in Florida, you need this. I don't need to be driving around 210 degrees. We also have the line, the feed line coming in. Okay, that's gonna be on the side of the block. It's gonna be installed on the side of the block, right next to where the oil filter is. I'll take a little video of that while I'm doing that. Turbo oil line feed is going to be installed this way, and then the line's going to drain, and that's why I'm working on a timing cover right now. So here's my dash 10 lines. Okay, bought a kit, eBay. Okay, they're all dash 10s. I have different sizes, different angles, you know what I mean? Okay, the line goes in here. Basically I'll make it work this way, and it'll thread in here. Okay, so then we also have different sizes, different angles. We got 90 degrees, that's a 45. Okay, so, and then we also have straight lines too, if I need it. But I don't think I'm gonna need it. I think I'm just gonna use 245s, and I'll be good to go. All right, guys. All right, guys, we're just gonna wait until tomorrow. We're just gonna let the glue set, basically the epoxy set. Once it sets, we'll come back tomorrow, see where it's at, clean it, paint it, install it, get it going, build the line, and here we go. All right, guys, tomorrow.